Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color Stitch from the Lilo and Stitch movie. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I draw Stitch's head. I begin by drawing his big nose, just like this. Next, I draw his eyes. Stitch has two big eyes. Now, I'm going to use a black marker to color in his eyes, just like this. Now, I'm going to use a black marker to color in his eyes, just like this. Now, I'm going to use a black marker to color in his eyes, just like this. Now it's time to draw his big, long ears. Let's do it together. Hey kids! Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more fun drawings on our channel. Thanks so much for your support. Now let's draw his hands, just like this. And don't forget to add his claws. The black marker again to trace everything and make our drawing really pop. Great job! So far, let's start coloring. First, I use a light purple to color the inside part of his ears. For his eyes, I use blue. also used blue to color his mouth. Finally, I used dark blue to color the rest of his body. Please like this video to support our channel. Thank you so much. Our drawing is almost done, just a few finishing touches. You did an amazing job! If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Goodbye!